Welcome to this series of Learn Kikuyu with Teacher Martin. So I hope that you are going to enjoy. Kikuyu is simple, and I promise you it will not take long, especially if you know how to speak Swahili. It is easier for you. And also those who are in English, actually we use the same alphabet. That's the Latin alphabet. So Kikuyu has this alphabet. You can see them on the screen. That is A, B, C, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, O, R, T, U, W, Y. But Kikuyu does not use this alphabet. That is L, F, P, Q, S, V, X, Z. So those are not used, but we also add two extra alphabets, that is A and O. So A is this I with a tilde on top of it instead of a dot, and O is this U with a tilde on top of it. So so this I with a tilde on top of it is read as A, like the way we call the first letter in A here, A. Okay, and then we have this U with a with a tilde on top of it. So this is read as O, like in go. Okay, so I hope you have gotten it. So you are adding these two extra alphabets. Let's just check on vowels, which have the same addition. Okay, so Kiswahili uses all the 5 Swahili vowels, that is A, E, O, U, A. Okay, sorry, A, E, O, U, and then it adds the 2 extra A and O. Okay, you got me right? I hope up to that level we are. Okay, so let's check several phrases that are common in Kikuyu, and just to give you an introduction that further introduction that Kikuyu is the language that is spoken in Mount Kenya region, that is in central Kenya, and also around the world, because Kikuyus are everywhere. Wherever you go, you find them around the world. So learning this language, you always meet people to practice with. So to greet someone, like how are you, you will say ohoro waku or kohana atea. Ohoro waku. Okay, for those who know Swahili, that's like asking someone habari yako or kohana atea. Okay, kohana atea, they have a similar meaning. To ask for water, that is to say give me water, in Kikuyu land you will say he mai, he mai. Okay, he mai. And then to say I am hungry, you will say de mohotu, de mohotu. You note this a D with that is preceded with N, that is read as de. Okay, de, because that is a not I, that is de, and this M followed with this special U, it is mo, and that H followed by that special U, it is ho, but T is normally, as in Swahili, tu, so it is read as de mohotu. To say I am thirsty, you say de monyotu. Okay, de monyotu. To say help me, in Kikuyu land you say deithia, deithia. Okay, deithia. That's like in Swahili we say nisaidie. To say I love you in Kikuyu, you will say negwedete, negwedete, negwedete. To say in Kikuyu come here, you will say okahaha, okahaha. Okay, let's proceed to the next ones. To tell someone that you are going to phone them, that's to tell them that I will phone you. You tell that person, nego kuhorera thimo, nego kuhorera thimo, nego kuhorera thimo. To tell someone, keep quiet. This most of the time it is said with a higher intonation like this, kira. Okay, kira. That's telling someone keep quiet. Okay, to ask someone to stop laughing, you tell them tiga gutheka, tiga gutheka. To say thank you, you say newega, newega, just relaxing, newega. To say thank you so much, you say newega mono, newega mono. Okay, so to say come in, you tell that someone igera, igera, maybe igera nyoba. Okay, come into the house. Natumai tunaenda vizuri, and I hope that you are continuing well. Okay, let's go to some common words that you may meet in your daily activities. Okay, the first, which is important for all of us, is food. Food in Kikuyu is irio, irio. Water in Kikuyu is mae. Okay. Home in Kikuyu is moshie, moshie. Okay. To tell someone come in Kikuyu, you tell them oka. To tell them come here, you say oka haha. Okay. To tell someone to go away, you tell them vie, vie. Okay, vie. This is T and H. That is there. That is vie. Okay. Father in Kikuyu is fafa. You remember that we don't have F. Okay, we don't have F in Kikuyu. That F is replaced by B. Okay, B, when it appears as a single alphabet, it's read as fa. So this is read as fa fa. Okay, when you add M before that B, it is read as ba. For instance, if we add B, MBA, MBA, that will be baba, and that refers to cotton wool. Okay, and another name, the old name for father is awa. Okay. Okay, let's proceed. So in Kikuyu, to say mother, it is mami or maito. Mami is more recent, maito is for the other generation. Okay, in Kikuyu, a friend is murata, murata. Okay, murata. Enemy is though. Enemy is though yakwa, my enemy. Okay, I hope that introduces you to Kikuyu. I don't know whether it is hard. Kindly share on the comments so that I can know where I need to improve. If I'm fast, I can slow down. If there are some things that you want to learn, kindly share on the comment section, and kindly share, kindly like, kindly also subscribe to my channel so that I can continue sharing this content, and so that we can learn Kikuyu together, and so that I can also improve my Kikuyu. Although I was born in Mount Kenya, we are the people who really faced Mount Kenya. Yeah, it's just a few kilometers from home, and I hope that we are going to learn together, and that you are going to learn Kikuyu and be able to speak Kikuyu fluently. Okay, for now I want to say goodbye till next.